Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about opportunities. Look, there's so many times where people miss out on the biggest opportunities in their life simply because they do not recognize it. What I'm basically saying is that there's so many times in our life where there's a small window of opportunity in which we can act on that which we know, yet so many times people deny themselves of those opportunities. For example, the other day I was at the gym and I saw this bodybuilder. He looked extremely muscular, and I wanted to ask him a bodybuilding question. As he was preparing to leave the gym, I saw that small window of opportunity. It was probably less than 30 seconds, and I decided I would stop him and ask him that one question that was on my mind. Now, before I asked him the question, I had to overcome my own fear. I had my own questions. For instance, I thought to myself, what if he's too busy? What if he doesn't have the time? What if the question was too small and he would just laugh at me? But I knew that there was a small window of opportunity to ask him that question. And within that 30 seconds, I decided to act. There's been so many times in my life where I've been confronted by small windows of opportunities where I had to act quick. And I'm gonna tell you that it worked out. How many times have you been in those situations where you know that you're supposed to do something, but you have questions, you have doubts, you have fears, you have concerns before you actually do it? You see, my friends, there's so many times where we have an opportunity, a clear-cut path to do something, yet we stop ourselves from doing it. And so I want to challenge you to think about those times. The times where you feel the fear, but you know you have to do it anyway. Because here's the truth. Everyone has fear. Everyone has doubts and concerns. They have questions. We have thoughts that may not be answered until we take action. And that's what you gotta do. You gotta make it happen. You can't just sit back and wonder what if he says no, or what if she declines my offer, or what if I get rejected? My friends, you gotta think big. You gotta make it happen. You have to act on a small window of opportunity. So whatever it is that you're confronted with next, don't delay. Act quick. Go with your gut and trust yourself. Make a decision to be firm, to be brave, to be courageous, and I promise you, your life will have completely different outcomes moving forward. My friends, this is Daniel Alley. I hope you enjoyed this message. I hope you understand how important it is to make a split-second decision, especially when you know that it's going to lead to greater opportunity. Enjoy yourself, do big things, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button, because that's a split-second decision that can change your life. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.